How to delete payment method on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. If you're trying to remove a payment method that you have currently added or that you currently have, you need to open up the website of netflix.com and then log into your account. You cannot delete the payment method using the app of Netflix. From the home screen, you just hover over your profile icon and then open up account. From the Accounts tab, on the right hand side, you'll see an option of Manage Payment Info. Click on this option and it's going to give you your current details. Currently, you don't see an option of delete because it says right here, to remove, you'll need to add in a new payment method first. So just click on Add Payment Method and add in your new payment method, whether it be your card or your PayPal. Once the new payment method has been added, you can come back to this screen and you'll have an option of delete right here. And you can easily remove your previous payment method and use the new one to make payments for your subscription. So that was a quick and easy video on how to delete your payment method on your Netflix account. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to it, make sure that you comment down below. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.